Go.
Welcome to E4 Eliana. The ants started digging, I guess.
This is day 2 with our ants.
Yeah, we just did it at
We've
nighttime.
only had them for less than 24 hours.
So they started digging a hole.
Wow, look at
And
that.
here.
I think there's some on the other side. Let's turn the tank around.
I think the queen must be being in there now.
I have no idea. It's blurry.
Wait, what? How did they dig it out there?
Whoa. They made a tunnel all the way to the bottom.
And they left
That is so cool.
these over here.
It's a tunnel. This is a tunnel.
Why did they do that?
I don't know.
Maybe they want to do it for their eggs. For the queen's eggs. My goodness, there's where they come out.
Mm-hmm.
I think they can. Wait. How can they go back there?
There's a tunnel up in there.
So they're now right there.
Oh, this is one of the tunnels that goes to the back. Oh, those just like fell down the hill. Why is he running so fast?
I don't know.
That was crazy. He just like ran down the whole hill.
So is that one. No, it will not. Cat.
And there's our kitty. Making her appearance. I hope I see that fast one run again.
Where is he?
He went to the back.
He's running up the hill.
Is he? I think that's him. Look how fast he's going. Nobody else is going that fast.
Why is he going that fast?
I have no idea. He like ran down the hill too.
Down that hill?
Mm-hmm.
Just. I want to turn it. Actually, no. So, there are they. But where are they? Do you see it over there?
Oh no.
What? What, Mom?
Oh, nothing. We should probably put something in there for them to eat.
Because what?
In case they need some food.
They don't need the apple anymore.
Is it gone?
Yeah.
Let's see. It was right here.
It's solid to dirt.
Mm.
Right there.
Mm-hmm. No more apple.
The sand.
That one's got big pinchers.
Where? Why does he have
Look at its pinchers.
He has big pinchers.
Yeah, it has bigger ones than the others.
That one going to the ant that might be dead, might be sleeping.
It's getting its 1 minute of sleep.
Actually, I think that one might be dead.
Oh.
It might. Maybe
There's that big pincher ant.
There he is, carrying a pile of dirt. Why is he carrying a pile?
It's a worker ant.
Where is he? I can't see him. I think the queen's gonna have the biggest pictures. Oh, wait. Mom, they made a tunnel like.
They did.
Where does that go to?
I don't know. We don't see it on the back.
I wish they would. I wish we could take that out and see what's on the back.
Yeah, me too. Well, the ants we ordered, they gave us 2 tubes. So we're gonna get another ant farm because we can't just let this tube of ants die. They need a home too. So we got another ant farm on the way. Yeah, I think
I'm talking about the other ants, the bottle of it.
Yeah, I think you can. Let's do it later. I have to wake up first. I just woke up. My brain's not working yet.
My brain's dead. It's fine too.
Are you done with your video?
No. What is that one doing trying to climb
It
up?
just fell.
Dude, you should try to climb up here. There he is trying to climb up again. He's like, is this stable or not? He's like, I want to climb. And that ant's just like, ew. Wait, what? Is that an egg or no?
Where?
I think it's a pile of dirt.
It's just dirt. They're not going to be eggs up in the middle of the openness. They'll have them hiding.
I remember that there was a hiding place right here.
Do you want to tell them about the life cycle of ants again?
Yeah, so these are the life cycle of ants. Ah!
What's first?
It follows this. It's an egg.
Okay. First, eggs.
But the ants don't agree that it's their eggs.
Because it's plastic.
Yeah.
All right. What's after eggs?
I don't remember.
Larva?
Oh, but that's it.
Show us the larva. Just hold it up by you. Ooh, perfect.
And you put it down now.
Okay, what's after larva?
What is
it? Is it pupa?
Oh, yeah, it's pupa.
And then what's after pupa?
An ant.
Show us the ant. There it is. It's too close to the camera. We can't see it. It has to be over here more.
Yeah.
Ah, the ant attacked me.
Where is he?
Oh, there's the ant. That's the life cycle of ants.
Bite. Oh my goodness. Bite. Bite, 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 bite. Thanks for watching. Bye. The ant did it.
Can I stop it?
Thanks for watching. Bye. The ant did it.